why feather pecking happens and how to manage it. At this point, we've mentioned feather pecking in a lot of our previous videos. The truth is, the underlying motivation behind feather pecking is complex and not completely understood. I'm Dr. Michaela, and in today's video, I'm going to share a bit about what we do know about feather pecking and why it happens, and give you some tips on how to manage it in your flock. Although it's difficult to completely understand, feather pecking has been linked to the following factors. The first factor is the environment. Feather pecking occurs more in birds that are bored and or stressed. If a hen's environment provides some kind of substrate to peck at or the ability to dust bathe, they tend to feather peck less. So you guessed it, the one way to manage feather pecking is to consider adding enrichment to help relieve boredom. The second factor that affects feather pecking is diet. Some believe that feather pecking is actually chickens eating their flockmates' feathers because feathers are made of protein. So changes in diet can cause feather pecking, and adding certain amino acids or protein can help reduce feather pecking. Fiber has also been shown to reduce feather pecking. The third factor is genetics. Feather pecking can be a heritable trait, so some breeds are just more prone to feather pecking, and the prevalence may depend on their breeding program. The fourth factor is social hierarchy. This probably isn't a surprise, but hens lower in the pecking order often get pecked more. When changes occur in your flock's social hierarchy, feather pecking can increase. So make sure to be thoughtful about introducing new chicks and pay attention to the pecking order in your flock so you can recognize feather pecking quickly if it happens. So we've just scratched the surface today with an overview of why feather pecking happens. So if you want to reduce the feather pecking in your flock, consider adding enrichment, look at the protein and amino acid level within your flock's diet, and try reducing the disruptions in your flock's social hierarchy. For more information, visit us at backyardchicken.com.